Vitush!
You want me to just make the cut?
Or you can film, it's up to you.
Sure, hang on.
Vitush!
This is what he does when Nigel goes outside.
We were here. You go film him and Nigel.
He wasn't excited about those boxes. This was going to be him opening the boxes. But now that Nigel's gone outside, he's very despondent. That's what he does. Oh, there's a puppy. Is that a puppy? Guy had a puppy. Nigel's outside. Do you want to go inside? Mama's opening a box.
There's Nigel. Stuff for you.
What's wrong? Nigel? Yeah, Nigel's outside. And that's okay. It's okay. Is that a squirrel? I think I just saw a squirrel.
Vitush.
Where's Mama? Squirrel, yeah.
Vitush?
I bet he doesn't. He's not going to care. He's preoccupied.
No, he doesn't.
This is how he gets when Nigel goes outside. He's not happy about it at all.
Pistachio. But it's okay, it has no problem. Oh my god.
It's gonna be a nice Easter.
I don't know if it's brushing
Hey, kitty. Can you? Where's Mama? You want my wallet? Wallet? Mm. Why do you like my wallet so much? What's wrong, baby? Wallet? What if you put one of the smaller boxes in front of him? Oh, he's probably only just preoccupied with the wallet.
Vitush. Hey, do you want to see? Look. What's this? Oh. Michalki. Zvatellu. Hey.
Oh, nice.
Here, you want to try this? Legendary smack.
Yeah, that's what made him come over, the vitamin D bottle. He just likes bottles.
Mega packer. Oh my god.
No, goodness me, Easter is
My
gonna be a
diet
bad
is
Easter.
ruined.
I know.
Thank you, Ula.
Yes.
Oh. Make sure you get this. Vitush, zobacz. Look.
Look at you, kitty. You gotta show him a mirror. He likes wearing hats sometimes. No.
Yeah, when he can look in the mirror.
When he can look in the mirror, yeah, he likes it. We'll have to put them on in the mirror. Hi, sweetie. Oh, Dada. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off.